What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today you have a lot of AI tools, so many of them, so it's very overwhelming. You have AI tools to create images, you have AI tools to edit videos, you have AI tools to create PowerPoint presentations, and basically everything you can think about. And so with such an overwhelming quantity of AI tools, it's easy to get lost in the mix. And so today I'm going to present to you a tool which is going to allow you to easily discover the different AI tools and what they do. So today we are looking at Futurepedia, which is an awesome platform which really lists and outline all those various AI tools. And so today, let's check it out. So discover what AI can do for you. So we've helped 5 million plus professionals learn to leverage AI by helping them find the best AI tools. And so the website is pretty straightforward. You can find it at futurepedia.io, and you can easily find here a listing of the various AI tools in existence. They equally update their catalog on a regular basis to list the different AI tools that keep on popping up from left and right. So if you head on to this website, you have these different categories or these different sorting that you can apply, maybe featured, the most popular, and what is new. So for example, if you check out what is new on the market, or sorry, what's the most popular, obviously you have ChatGPT, who really started all of this trend of AI tools. Then followed by that, you have Namelix, Flicky, Tom, and many other ones. I definitely recognize some names out of this bunch, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Luca, and some others that I recognize, but there are some that I don't know as well. And it'll be very hectic for us to go through each and every one of them to kind of see what they do. So, but basically, with this website, you can easily tell, you can look AI driven, generate some memorable, brandable business names. That's what Namelix does. And you have some others as well, ChatGPT, and so on and so forth. So you have here a whole collection of all those AI tools and what they do. And so with this, you can easily see what you are looking for. If you are focused on marketing, you can find the AI tools which are geared towards marketing. You have a listing of them here: HubSpot, Captain, Hootsuite, and so on and so forth. Some of these as well are platforms which incorporate AI into them. And so you can easily use those platforms and discover the AI tools they have. If you are oriented towards productivity, you can easily find AI tools for that. You have Monica, you have Jigsaw, and so on and so forth. So I think you get the idea here. With this platform, you can discover all the AI tools in existence and how they can serve you. So depending on your field of work, you might be able to use some AI tools. Yeah, so for videos, you have Synthesia, Pictory, InVideo, and many others. You know, sometimes we don't know about them, sometimes we get to discover them by going through such websites. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend you check this out. Depending on your field of work, you might be easily able to find an AI tool that is going to boost your productivity or assist you in some way, in some type of way. Yeah, so definitely the website has a lot more going on there. It's not just this. It equally has some filters. Maybe you're interested in mobile apps, for example, or you're interested maybe in things which are free or things which have a freemium model for payment. So let's just check out, for example, the AI tools which are involved in mobile apps. Yeah, so it's going to filter them through, and then you have them here listed. So yeah, some of them, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I think you pretty much get the idea. This is where you can find all the AI tools which are existing. You can find the new ones. Let's check out some of the new ones: My Mind, Jellypod, Ozo.ai, and so many. So every day they just keep popping up again and again. So it's very difficult to keep track of everything, but with this website you can easily do that. It's totally free. You can advertise as well your AI tools here for a paid fee, and so on and so forth. You have some, yes, you have pretty much them listed out here. So I just wanted to present this website to you for all those who want to get into the AI hype train. This is where you can find the tools and where you can really sort through them and discover what might be of use for you. So definitely check this out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.